Hello guys, I am Week Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I will be telling you a story, The Boy Who Cried Wolf. So once upon a time, there was a boy who lived up in the hills. He has to look after a flock of sheep. He did he did the same work every day. So one day the boy got bored. He thought for a while. He got an idea. So he decided to pull a prank on the villagers. So he shouted, "Help, help, help, there is a wolf." So the villagers heard the cry for help from the boy. So the villagers were working on the fields. They stopped their work and went into the hills to help the boy. And when the villagers reached there, they asked the boy where was the wolf. The boy laughed loudly and said that, uh, "Haha, I fooled you all. There was no wolf. I just did it for fun." So he also said that it was only a trick he was playing on the people. So the villagers got angry and scolded him. They said that he was a very naughty boy. A few days later, the shepherd boy played the same prank again. So he shouted, "Wolf, wolf, wolf," and cried for help. So the villagers came to help him again, and there was no wolf. So this time the villagers were so angry that they stopped believing him and they scolded him. So after some time, when the shepherd boy was resting on a tree, a real wolf came. So the boy was shivered with fear. So he shouted for help and he said that it was a real wolf this time. So the villagers who heard the cry for help laughed and thought that he is trying to fool them again. The wolf killed all the sheep. After a while, the boy didn't return. The villagers were worried and they went into the hills to take a look, and they found dead sheep lying around and the shepherd boy crying. So the shepherd boy did a mistake and realized it. So the moral of the story is we should never lie. And at one point, the people around us will stop believing us even when we are telling the truth. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you.